Everyone, welcome to ByteStorm with D. In today's tutorial, we'll master one of the most powerful functions in Excel, VLOOKUP. If you've ever struggled with searching for data in large spreadsheets, this function will make your life easier. Let's dive right in. Here, we have a list of employee IDs, names, and department. Our goal is to find a name and department based on an employee ID using VLOOKUP. First of all, we'll enter any employee ID number from the column. Now, let's use the VLOOKUP function. Now type equals VLOOKUP open bracket. And click on the employee ID as you will get F7, put comma. For the next step, select all the columns as you will get B2, D14, again, put comma. As you can see, the employee name is on the second row. So tap 2, and then comma. Now select false or tap 0 for false, close the bracket, and tap enter. The answer pop out. We have done the employee name. Now for the department column, we'll do the same process. Now for the department column, type equals VLOOKUP open bracket, and click on the employee ID as you will get F7, put comma. For the next step, select all the columns as you will get B2, D14, again, put comma. As you can see, the department column is on the third row, so tap 3 and then comma. Now select false or tap 0 for false, close the bracket, and tap enter. And there you go. Excel finds the name corresponding to the employee ID. If you're working with a range of numbers like grades or tax slabs, set the last argument to true instead of false for an approximate match. That's how you use VLOOKUP in Excel. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. Comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.